it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to my most intense leg conditioning program I've ever made. I will have you kicking higher, holding your kicks for longer, and having much more precision and control over your kicks within a very short period of time. One of the main reasons I decided to create this program was basically the amount of questions I get asked by you guys that you can already do the splits or you're very flexible, so why can't you hold your kicks up straight 180? Now, I cannot preach this enough. As well as having the flexibility, you must develop the strength in your legs to be able to hold and kick out the way that I do. I've been doing the drills I'm going to share with you in this course since I was a little girl. They work. They've worked for myself, they've worked for my students, they're a given. But you have to put the work in, and it's hard. This course will be tough, it will be challenging, it will really push you, but it will bring out the best within your kicks. Every single workout will be around 40 minutes. That will include dynamic stretches with myself, followed by leg conditioning drills. Every workout we're going to do 5 drills and repeat those drills 3 times. After that, we're going to have a 10-minute stretch, static stretch at the end, which will help to repair the muscles, but also gain flexibility at the same time, as well as your strength. This program has been put together very carefully by myself to enable the best results for your kicks, flexibility, precision, and control. And like I said, I've been doing these exercises for 30 years now. They work and they will work for you. I'm going to give you the material. You've got to put the hard work in. So remember, set yourself goals, envision the results, and together we can make it happen.